So many traders don't know how to handle losses. I'm going to be teaching you today how to take big losses in trading and how to bounce back. 3 weeks ago, I had a very huge loss of $27,000, but I never freaked out because I know I definitely will be able to make it out, and I understand this simple concept I'm about to discuss with you guys in this video. Losses are definitely part of the game. You can't do away with losses. It's always part of the game. You have to learn to handle them, manage them. That's what makes you an actual trader. So let's get straight into this video. I'm going to teach you how to handle all these losses. Let's go. Number one thing you have to know is you have to accept losses and avoid revenge trading. First, losing that some amount of money, you will be very concerned and you'll be very bothered. You'll be angry.
I want trading reopened right now. Get those brokers back in here. Turn those machines back on. Turn those machines back on.
You'll be everything emotional. But one thing that you want to do first, accept that, okay, this money is gone and it's gone. I'm not trying to want to fight the market back to say, okay, I must get that money back today. Because the market can actually go deep and break your back and go farther in losses than you can even handle. So that's why it's important. You first have to accept that, okay, I've lost this money. Now, what's the way out? As a Forex trader, for me to bounce back or for me to just keep staying alive in this market. That is the next step. Next point is risk management. It's very important to apply proper risk management when you are trading so as to avoid the previous things that happened to you in the past.
Look, I run risk management. I don't really see how that's a natural place to start cutting jobs.
Because you have lost money, you don't want to throw away risk management and say, okay, because I want to use big lot size, I don't want to use stop loss at this time. Always make sure you use stop loss to determine specific number of pips that you are willing to lose or amount you are willing to take at a particular time. This time around, you have to be a lot more cautious, a lot more careful, and make sure you are enforcing it. All right, what happened to you the last one? You must have journaled it down. Do not allow it to repeat itself ever again in this time around. So stop loss is very crucial. That's one fundamental or foundation of using proper risk management. Third point is set realistic expectation. Let's be honest, the reason why you lost that much previously is because you didn't really set a realistic expectation.
Oh, you're expecting a teaser for Deadpool 2. Well, we don't have that kind of money.
Probably left your stop loss bigger than what you had already intended to lose, or maybe pride went into your profit, you didn't take profit, you kept waiting. So in this point, you have to understand two concepts. Number one, risk to reward ratio. You have to understand that having 1 to 2 risk to reward or 1 to 1.5 is just fine, it's decent, it's nice. You don't always have to be setting 1 to 5, 1 to 6, 1 to 100 and all of that. That is really very unrealistic, all right? That doesn't mean it doesn't happen once in a while, but it might not be so consistent. So you have to make sure you keep it considerate and know what the market is always willing to give, and then you stick to that. And the next point is you have to also make sure you set an achievable goal in terms of achievable stop loss, achievable take profits, or stop loss that you're willing to lose and take profit that you know that is easy to actually achieve. And also, while setting stop loss, give enough breathing space. You know that, okay, the chance of price getting to this point is unlikely, all right, or is highly unlikely. Chance of price getting to this other point of take profit is more likely. So those are the things you should actually put into consideration. These are setting realistic goals. This fourth point is very crucial because it's basics of almost everything you are doing day to day. Maintaining a good trading plan. You have to make sure you keep updating it, you keep checking, check the current market condition. Has the market shifted from how you were trading last month to a new pattern this month? Because news event can happen. Macroeconomic news and microeconomic news always shift the market movement. So you have to always make sure you check, update. If last month, if 20 pips stop loss was usually the base, you have to change that. If last 2 months, if what was your average true range? The average true range was around 50 pips. Now it probably would have changed to 70 pips. Just check these things and then you update your rules from time to time. So it's very crucial you look into that. It's very important. You have to take a break and seek mentorship. This one cannot be emphasized.
How about we take a break and have some lemonade?
Yes, a break and some lemonade. I like some lemonade.
Because no matter how much you know, there's definitely someone out there that have an information that can unlock your new next level. So that's why it's important to take a break, sit down, check of what areas that I fully don't understand yet, and then you look for someone who actually have that already unlocked, and then you seek mentorship from such one. So I have a mentorship open. I've been where you guys where you are currently at, and I'm also way ahead most of everybody right now in the industry because of the information I've gotten and because of the knowledge and the information I also have access to. You can also subscribe to me. We can get to trade together in the advanced stage at fire peak every now and then. So it's important that you also adhere. Know when you need mentorship and know when you do not. All right, so these are very crucial. And in conclusion, you have to know in all these steps, is for you to find what really works specifically for you. You have to find your truth, find the exact things that is going to keep you ahead out of other people. You have to check the differences from your previous trades to this current one. What is changing? You have to regularly be evolving your stop loss placement, your take profits, your entries, the way you exit, the way you everything. So it's really very crucial that you put all this into perspective. All right. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.